Hello to all the students, myself Kanchan Singh, coordinator of Doraemon's International School, and today I am going to explain the chapter for the 7th class, and this chapter is from the science book and its name is Nutrition in Animals, so let's understand it. So student, let's talk about the first topic of this chapter, and that is the process of nutrition. So the process of nutrition gets completed basically in 5 steps. Names are as follows. First one is ingestion, second digestion, third absorption, fourth assimilation, and the last one is egestion. Let's talk about the first step, ingestion. So in ingestion, the process happens by taking food into the body, which is then called ingestion. Moving to the next step, and that is digestion. The food containing large insoluble substances is broken into bloodstream. Now third step, let's know about the absorption. In this, basically the digested food passes through the intestinal wall. Now coming to the next step, assimilation. The absorbed food is taken in by body cells and used for energy, growth and repair, which is called assimilation. And moving up for the last step, which is egestion. In this step, the undigested food is removed from the body. So student, this is all about the process of nutrition, and you also see the pictures so you can better understand about these steps. So now moving to the next topic of this chapter, and which is nutrition in some animals. So the nutritional requirements of most animals are relatively extensive and complex compared with the simple requirements of plants. So the third topic of this chapter is digestion in human. So student, now let's know that how digestion takes place in human body. Digestion in human basically involves the breakdown of food into smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The process of digestion basically has 3 stages. In the process of digestion, enzymes break down the carbohydrate to simple sugar, fats to fatty acids and cholesterol, and the third, proteins into amino acids. Now the various organs in human digestive system in sequence are mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. The glands which are associated are salivary glands, liver, pancreas. And the next topic, disorders in the digestive system. So the problem that occurs due to this are as follows. First, indigestion. Second, diarrhea. Third, constipation. So the last topic is digestion in ruminants. Ruminants basically are mammals like cattle, goats, sheep. So let's discuss about the digestion. It occurs sequentially in a 4-chambered stomach. So this was about the chapter. So watch this video again and again for the better understanding, and also read the chapter. Thank you so much. Regards to Doraemon's International School.